Have you ever been deep in a game, fully focused, and then boom, you're kicked out? Disconnected, logged out, unable to play. Now imagine that happening to millions of gamers at the same time. That's exactly what happened on Friday, February 7th, 2025, when the PlayStation Network suffered a massive outage, crippling online play, the PlayStation Store, and even single-player games. So, what caused this? How long did it last? And when will PlayStation finally fix it? Let's break it down. This wasn't just a small glitch. This was a full-blown system failure. Reports flooded Down Detector as numbers skyrocketed. 5:20 p.m. PT, first major spike. 5:49 p.m. Pacific Time, over 68,000 players reported issues. 6:40 p.m. Pacific Time, nearly 71,000 affected. 10 p.m. PT, still 15,000 plus struggling to connect. But here's the worst part. Even single-player games weren't working. Why? Because Sony's digital license verification system wouldn't allow users to access their own games. That's right. If the PlayStation servers couldn't verify your license, you couldn't play. For Jeff Thigpen, 48 from Dallas, this was beyond frustrating. I pay for PSN, but I can't even play games I bought? That's insane. And Connor Clark from Sheffield Games Collective was just as upset. This weekend was huge for gaming. Monster Hunter Wild had a free beta, and Call of Duty was running a double XP event. Thousands, maybe millions, were affected. But Sony? Silent for hours. By February 8, 2025, some players reported servers slowly coming back, but for many, still nothing. Sony remained vague. No official reason. No timeline for full restoration. Was it a server failure, a cyber attack, or just another case of Sony's poor infrastructure? Nobody knows. This outage revealed a huge issue. If a simple server failure can block you from playing a single-player game, do you really own it? Think about it. If you buy a physical game, but every time you play, the store you bought it from has to approve it first, how would that feel? Yet that's exactly how digital games work today. As Sony scrambles to fix this mess, gamers want answers. Why did this happen? How will Sony prevent it in the future? When will PlayStation actually prioritize player experience? Right now? No answers. But one thing is clear. This can't happen again. Gamers expect better, and Sony, you need to do better. If you're still experiencing PSN issues, drop a comment below. Let's keep the pressure on Sony until they give us real answers. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Game on. If PlayStation ever lets us. Video game.